So let's start with our first scenario under simple workflows. So Gautam, here once we got from a user planning a charity event. They wanted to generate event flyers automatically by pulling in personalized details like event name, date, venue, and contact from a data source. Now, instead of designing each flyers manually, they're looking to use a single template in Writer that autofills this data. And they also want to include advanced elements like a Google map of the venue, dynamic event dates, and even QR codes so that their attendees can scan and visit their website to view more information. Can you help us with this?
Definitely, Siri. That's actually a perfect use case for merge templates with advanced field types in Writer. So let me quickly jump into the demo session and I'll let you know. So yes, so here is a well-crafted document. So this is a flyer that we have created in Zoho Writer from scratch. So let me quickly show you the elements that we have created in this. So here you can see that there are various text boxes, images inserted into the document. So these are images inserted in such a way that it overlaps the document. So here you can see that this particular image has a wrap type inline, whereas this one has got a different wrap type. So this is how you can add various text boxes and we'll be able to add content over the content. So here you can see that this particular document, this particular text box is in front of text. So similarly, you can also change the wrap type and arrange the document according to your preference. And furthermore, what we are going to do is we are going to use this as a merge template, and in this we have connected a data source which is a Zoho sheet. So here I have the event date, time, and the QR code information, and along with that I have also added the locations. The Google map location has been added and the event registered attendees email addresses available. So now what I'll do is I'll just go to my document and insert the fields according to my preference. So from once I connect the data source, all the fields will be listed out in my left panel. And for QR code, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the format. So here I'll go to the manage fields, and here you can see that I have changed the format of the particular field to QR code. And once that is done, I'll just go ahead and save it. Similarly, for map as well, I have also chosen map as the format for the particular field. So now once the field type is set, what you can do is you can just save the settings, and then you can simply insert the fields from the left panel. So here you can see there is a QR code info. So all you have to do is just place your cursor and then go ahead and insert the field. So now we have inserted this, and here you can see that it's been configured as a web URL. So these are the various options available for you to configure the QR code. So you can configure it as an SMS message so that the users can simply take out their devices and scan to get the message. So similarly for map as well, we have added this as we have added the location in the data source, and here you can see the map field is being inserted into the document. So now once this configuration is done, let me just show you a preview. So this will be the output that is being shown to the users. So here they'll be able to check on the Google location, and here they can simply scan and get their tickets online. And here they also have the event details, time, venue, entry fee, etc. So all these information is brilliantly inserted into the required areas, and the document is generated. So now what you can do is you can go to the email option and configure the email address from the data source. So you need not manually enter each and every attendee's email address. So you can simply put in the field and choose the required format, whether inline or attachment, and then go ahead and run the merge. So now once I go ahead and run the merge, what will happen is each attendees will be getting their own document or the flyer for their reference. And similarly, you can also create various flyers. You can also create various tickets that can be generated to the particular customer when an event is organized. So this is how event organization and marketing teams can design templates and make use of advanced fields to visually represent their flyer or their marketing content in a better way.
Great. That was a detailed demo, Gautam. Thank you so much.